Again, most welcome in one and another episode of legal terms and phrases. First word is backer, 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 the person attempting with a purpose or intention to collect information stored in a database. The person attempting with a purpose or intention to collect information stored in a database. This is called backer. Back, to make signature on the back. To make signature on the back. Badge, the distinguishing sign worn by a person. The distinguishing sign worn by a person. Bail, to set a person free on security by taken for reappearance. To set a person free on security by taken for reappearance. Bandit, an outlaw or lawless person. An outlaw or lawless person. Ban, legal prohibition. Legal prohibition. Bargain for vote. Bargain for vote, the agreement between voter and person concerning the promise of vote. The agreement between voter and person concerning the promise of vote. Bargain, agreement between two bodies for buying or selling goods. Agreement between two bodies for buying or selling goods. Barrage, an artificial bar cross a river. Section 22(2) of Damodar Valley Corporation Act. Act 14 of 1948 means barrage. Barrage in an artificial bar across a river. Barrier, in mining law, coal wall between two mines. Coal wall between two mines. This is called barrier. B-A-R-R-I-E-R, barrier. Barrister, B-A-R-R-I-S-T-E-R, barrister. The barrister is called advocate or lawyer. Advocate or lawyer. Bar, legal terms means a body of attorneys and counselors or members of legal profession. This is called bar. Bar, which obstructs entry. This is also called bar. And the spelling of bar in both the cases are same. That is B-A-R, bar. Base born of low birth. Of low birth. Base, of inferior or low value or of false quality. Base, of inferior or low value or of false quality. Battle, hostile encounter. Battle, hostile encounter. B-A-T-T-L-E. Battle, hostile encounter. Bowed, B-A-W-D, bowed, the person giving opportunity for cohabitation of opposite sexes. The person giving opportunity for cohabitation of opposite sexes. This is called bowed, B-A-W-D, bowed. Beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach, land washed by sea waves. Land washed by sea waves. This is called beach. Wearer, V-E-A-R-E-R, wearer, the person possessing the bill. The person possessing the bill is called wearer, V-E-A-R-E-R, wearer. Becomes void, having no application to the contract between competent parties. Having no application to the contract between the competent parties. This is called becomes void. Beggary, B-E-G-G-A-R-Y, beggary, act of begging. Beginning of day, the starting of operations defined by the system. This is called depositions. Belligerent right, B-E-L-L-I-G-E-R-E-N-T, belligerent right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Rights associated with war. Rights associated with war. Benami, nameless or fraudulent. Nameless or fraudulent. B-E-N-A-M-I, benami, nameless or fraudulent. Bench, body of judges. Bench, B-E-N-C-H, bench, body of judges. Beneficial interest, interest which carries benefit to a person. Interest which carries benefit to a person. This is called called beneficial interest. Beneficial owner, beneficial, beneficial, owner, owner, the person enjoying the benefit of the property, the person enjoying the benefit of the property. This is called beneficial owner. Beneficiary, 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 the person receiving money for some cause, the person receiving money for some cause. This is all about today's legal terms and phrases. Thanks, regards.